The microphone is yours. Take your time, sir. Bahala na po kayo, sir.
Kahit hanggang 5 o'clock. Ayan.
Hindi ko alam kung paano ko sisimulan. But let me just take this opportunity first, Pastor, to thank CCF. Palakpakan po natin ang CCF. And the rest of the team. Isang pagkakataon po ito para sa aming mga kapulisan upang muli ay mapatatag yung relasyon namin sa aming mga asawa. You know, the PNP has been existing for the past 4 decades already. Unfortunately, kapag ang pag-uusapan ay marriage enrichment seminar, no? Ito po ay isang unpopular decision sa amin. That's the truth. Bihira po sa pulis ang pagka sinabi mong anybody who wish to volunteer attend this family enhancement seminar or marriage enhancement seminar, wala pong magtataas ng kamay dyan. I don't know why. But kidding aside, ito pong nandito po ngayon ay sila po ay they take courage to be here at isama ang kanilang mga misis. Kaya talaga eye-opener sa PNP. Kaya nga natin po yung classmate ko, si Colonel Saro, which is sign of the director. Siya po ang mamamalita dito kay JPNP. At ang challenge ko po nga sa kanya, dapat mga master na pumunta rito, sila yung muna. Alam niyo po, just a little trivia about the PNP. No? Malaki na po ang pinagbago ng PNP ngayon as compared before. No? Dati ko, na-stereotype ang PNP na womanizer dahil sa mga pelikula ni Bong Revilla, Philip Salvador. Lagi na lang, merong babae sa tabi niya, palagi may other woman. Pwede bang wala na lang ganon? So, sa panahon po namin ngayon, talagang we must say na binuksan na po ng PNP ang pintuan sa lahat ng religious leaders and life coaches. In fact, meron na po kami Council of Interfaith Leaders and Life Coaches na pinopromote po ng aming CPNP, yung kasimbayanan, kapulisan, simbahan at pamayanan. Kapag ang aming pong core values na maka-Diyos, makatao, makakalikasan at makabansa, yun po ang isinasabuhay talaga po namin. Kami po ang mga modernong kapulisan. At ang aming pong nabubuhay po kami, we were taught to uphold the law, to promote community-based, family-centered, family-oriented, and God-centered PNP service. So yun po talaga ang pinopromote po namin. On personal note, for the past 2 decades of our relationship ng wife ko po, I just realized na ang family ko pala ay part ng career ko as police officer. Kasi all the while I thought ang pagiging police is a vocation that was given to me by God while I was only 7. So na-realize ko po in this seminar na and perhaps sa ating pong lahat dito, ano pa man ang vocation nyo, no? First pala ang family. Hindi pala second. Because on the way, I thought ang family ay second lang. Ang first sa akin ay servisyo. PNP service. Dahil ang paniniwala ko, ito yung role na binigay sa akin. So I call it vocation. No? Magaya po ng mga pare, they have vocation. So, all the while, for the past 2 decades, I thought this is my first vocation. And second lang po yung family ko. So, ang realization ko, ang family ko pala ay integral part ng profession ko as police officer. At kami po sa kapulisan, we were taught to resolve conflict in a very simple but family-centered approach. No? Because we believe that a person who says sorry when my wife is laughing. A person who says sorry when he is wrong is an honest person. A person who says sorry even though he doesn't know if he's wrong or right is a wise person. But a person who says sorry even though he's right is a husband. Actually po, I just heard that word from General Magalong, yung mayor po ng Baguio. When he was asked how to resolve conflict, sabi niya, yun po yung sinabi niya. So yun lang po para sabi ko, Pastor, I really enjoyed this seminar. Sana po pagbalik natin yung 30-day challenge ni Pastor ay magawa natin. Challenge din po sa akin yan, sa ating lahat. At mabuhay po tayong lahat.
Sir, thank you po. Palakpakan po natin ulit. Sir, pwede magtanong?